Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, China, Myanmar, Afghanistan. Okay, these are our neighboring countries. Okay, now I am sharing something, so please focus here. We will have our doubt in last 10 minutes. Okay, before moving ahead, just see here. Okay, you all are started. Wait a second. Okay, as you can see, Kasak, is it visible now? Raise your hand like this. Okay, look at the look at the map. Look at the map. Look at the map of India. You will notice the Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China, and Myanmar are our immediate neighbors. Besides the G7 countries, Afghanistan and Maldives are also our close neighbors. Okay, also our close neighbors. But there is one difference in Sri Lanka and Maldives. They are connected with us with waterways. Okay, with waterways. As you can see, Afghanistan, Pakistan, China. Okay, here Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan. Okay, Nepal here. Okay, for more clarification, wait a second. Look at here, everyone. Please focus. Okay. Okay, these are the 7 countries which connected with land. Okay, these are the 7 countries which is connected with lands. First one, Bangladesh. Okay, the second one, China. Third one, Pakistan. Fourth one, Nepal. Fifth one, Myanmar. Sixth one, Bhutan. And the seventh one, Afghanistan. Okay, these are the 7. These are the 7 countries which is connected with India through land. Okay, through land. 2 more, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. They are connected with water bodies through sea. First of all, Myanmar. First of all, Bangladesh. Okay, here is some information about the Bangladesh. Capital of Bangladesh, Dhaka. Okay, and currency, Bangladeshi Taka. Okay, and the province or state, 8. Just like we have a 28 state, they have Bangladesh has 8 provinces, means 8 states. Okay. These are all about the Bangladesh inform. Now, next one, China. Okay. Okay. China. This is about the China. Okay. China capital Beijing. Okay. Now currency yuan, you can say. Okay. And provinces state 26 state. Okay, provinces 26. India's second largest border is shared with China, which is 3,488 kilometer, and the first one from Bangladesh. The longest. Okay, this is about Bangladesh. India's longest border is shared by Bangladesh, which is about 4,096.70 kilometer. Okay, the longest border, India shared its border with Bangladesh, which is the longest border. Okay, this is about the Bangladesh, and this is about the capital. This is about the China. Okay, capital Beijing, and provinces state 26, 26, and longest, India's second longest border is shared with China, which is 3,488. Okay. Okay, this is about Pakistan, capital Islamabad, currency Pakistani rupee. Okay, and when we talk about provinces or state, it has 4. Okay, India's third longest border is shared with Pakistan, which is 3,323 kilometer. Okay, 3,323 kilometer. Now, the very next one, Nepal. Okay, the very next one, Nepal. Okay, capital Kathmandu, and currency Nepalese rupees. Okay, provinces or state 7, and India's fourth longest border is shared with Nepal, which is 1,748.8 kilometer. Okay, this is about the Myanmar. Capital Naypyidaw, currency Kyat, and state or region. Okay, 14. 7 states and 7 regions. India's fifth longest border is shared by Myanmar, which is about 1,643 kilometers. Okay, 1,643 kilometers. Just a second. Okay, this is about Bhutan. Okay, as you can see, Bhutan, a small country, capital is Thimphu, currency Nugultram, and states or provinces 20 states. Okay, India's sixth longest border is shared with by Bhutan, which is about 699 kilometers. Okay, 699 kilometers. And the last one. Okay, capital, it is about the Afghanistan. Capital, Kabul. Currency, Afghani. Okay. Provinces or state, 34. Okay. Provinces and state, 34. And the smallest border is shared by the Afghanistan, which is about 106 kilometers. 106 kilometers. Okay, this is about the small information about our neighboring countries. Okay, the longest border shared by India with Bangladesh and the smallest from Afghanistan. Okay, and wait one. Okay, you will get the information about the exam through the WhatsApp or other means of communication. Okay. Now only 5F student, only 5F student from section 5F will text me about the roll number along with their name. Okay, only 5F students. Now moving ahead. Notice on the map that India shared boundary with Pakistan in northwest में इंडिया शेयर कर अपना जो बाउंड्री है किसके साथ नॉर्थ वेस्ट इन पाकिस्तान थ्रू पाकिस्तान China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. The island of Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor in the sea. Okay, the island of Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor in the sea. जो साउदर्न पार्ट में जो हमारा नेबर है वो है श्रीलंका. Now India believe in peace. India believe in peace. India has always followed a path of peace. Okay, India has always followed the path of peace. Means India never wants to fight with other country. Okay, history proves that. Okay, this is not because I am telling you, this is history proves that India has never attacked any country for gaining territories. Okay, for gaining territories, India has never attacked any country till today. Till today, we maintain friendly relation with our neighboring. We maintain friendly relation with our neighboring as well as far away countries. We keep friendly relation, okay, and we should keep, okay, we should try to keep maintain friendly relation with our neighboring countries and as well as far away countries in our daily life as well. Okay, in our daily life as well, we should try to maintain friendly relation with our neighbors. Okay, if you are in the class, you should maintain friendly relation with all your classmates, all your schoolmates. Okay, if you are playing in the field, you should try to maintain friendly relation with your field friends, means those who play with you. Okay, means everywhere you should try, you must try to maintain friendly relation. Okay, it is very necessary so that India also maintain friendly relation with our neighboring as well as far away countries. We believe in solving mutual differences. Okay, we believe in solving. Okay, unmute yourself. Srishti, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
Then why you raise your hand? Mute yourself. Okay. This policy has helped us to share this policy. Okay, we believe in solving mutual differences through peaceful means. Okay, we have a differences. Okay, we will have differences with our friends, with our neighbors, with our within a family members. Okay, we will have our differences, but the main motto is that we should sort out all the problems, all the issues with mutual understanding. Okay, mutual, through the mutual understanding, through the difference, through the peaceful means. Okay, fighting is not a only option. Fighting, okay, fighting is not a only option for us. We have a lots of options. Okay, and the best one is to sit and uh, talk about the issues, talk about your problems. Okay, share your thoughts. Okay, these are the means, through peaceful means through which we should sort out all our problems, so that India believes in solving mutual differences through peaceful means. Okay, this policy has helped us to share cultural and trade relation with our neighbors since ancient time. And because of this behavior, because of this culture, because of this policy, okay, India has helped this policy has helped us to share culture, trade, relation with our neighbors since ancient time. Okay, means हम लोग का जो रिलेशन है फ्रॉम एंशियंट टाइम, ओके, फ्रॉम एंशियंट टाइम, वो अब बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है फ्रॉम आवर नेबरिंग कंट्रीज. ओके, क्लियर? एनी प्रॉब्लम? Ayush, raise your hand like this. No? Okay. Harsh, is there any problem? Still here? Anushka, any problem? Okay. Pushpanjali, is there any problem? Okay. Shoni, where are you? Pay attention to the class. Kasak, any problem? Still here? Okay. Shivani, any problem? Okay. Akshat, any problem? No. Hers, any problem? Abhinav, pay attention here. Abhinav, pay attention here. Is there any problem, Abhinav? Still here? Unmute yourself, Abhinav. Abhinav, unmute yourself. Okay. Aniket, any problem? Still here? Aniket Chaudhary? No. Saswat, is there any problem till here? Saswat, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any problem till here?
No, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Only 5F students. Only 5F students send their roll number along with their name. Now, moving ahead. SARC. It is about the SARC. SARC means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Okay. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Harsh Kumar, sit properly and pay attention here. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation means the SARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Okay. It was established. It was established in which year? 8 December 1985. Okay, 8 December 1985. Now, moving ahead, 8th of December 1985 is an economical and political organization of 8 neighboring countries located in South Asia. Okay. This is the group of South Asian countries of 8. Okay, initially there were 7. Initially there were 7. Bharat, it means India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Okay, can you see this here? Pakistan, Bangladesh. Okay, Bhutan, Nepal, okay, not China, no China, okay, Afghanistan, okay, means India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Maldives, Bhutan. Okay, these are the 7 countries initially, but after some times Afghanistan joined this group. Okay, so now this group has 8 countries. They are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. As you can see here. Okay. As you can see here, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, okay, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Okay. I repeat the thing many more times just because you learn it properly. Okay. Let us take a look at some common features of language, food, and culture that we share with our neighbors. There is something that we share with our neighbors. Similarity of language between India and Pakistan. Okay, between India and Pakistan. As you know, India and Pakistan is the one country before 1947. Now, Pakistan came into existence only in 1947. Okay, Pakistan came into existence only in 1947. Till then, Pakistan was a part of India. Till then, Pakistan was a part of India. We share a common history and culture. Okay, we share a common history and culture. Hence, there are many similarities in language. There are many similarities in language, like food and language, food and race between India and Pakistan. Means when we talk about language, there's lots of similarity you can see there between us. When we talk about food items, there are lots of similarity you can see with us. Okay, when we talk about races, okay, there is lots of things that are common. Okay, because both are the same before the 1947. Both countries, दोनों कंट्रीज क्या थे, एक ही थे, सेम थे इस before 1947. So that it is obvious that there are lots of things that will common with us. Okay, the commonly spoke language in India and Pakistan are Hindi and Urdu. Means Hindi and Urdu दोनों जगह बोले जाते हैं, ठीक है ना, हिंदी एंड उर्दू. बोथ उर्दू एंड हिंदी इवॉल्व फ्रॉम संस्कृत. बोथ उर्दू एंड हिंदी इवॉल्व फ्रॉम Sanskrit, the mother of all language. Sanskrit is also known as mother of all language. Okay, mother of all language. Now, this is about similarity and some about differences. There's a difference also. Okay, Hindi is written from left to right in Devanagari script. Okay, as you know, Hindi is written from left to right. Okay, from left to, as you can see, I write from here. Left, this is my left, left from right. Okay, left from right. Urdu is written to left, right to left in Persian Arabic script. Okay, script name is Persian Arabic. What is the script of Urdu? Persian Arabic. Okay, it is written from here like this. Okay, this way from right to left. Okay, now the next one, next difference is Hindi uses vocabulary from Sanskrit. Okay, vocabulary means शब्दकोश. Okay, dictionary. Hindi uses vocabulary from Sanskrit. Urdu uses vocabulary from Persian and Arabic. Okay, Urdu uses vocabulary from Persian and Arabic. These are the some differences. The surprising fact is that Hindi uses words from Persian and Arabic and Urdu uses words from Sanskrit. एक सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट ये है कि हिंदी जो है, हिंदी यूजेज वर्ड्स फ्रॉम पर्शियन एंड अरेबिक. ठीक है ना, हम लोग पर्शियन और अरेबिक से कुछ हिंदी वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं एंड उर्दू में कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो संस्कृत से यूज किए जाते हैं. ओके, we will go ahead in next class. Okay, before that I would like to ask something about from there are lots of people here. All the students from section 5 write their roll number. Okay, who is writing episode of the African and American? Shuhani to me, direct. Shuhani, okay. Vaishnavi, is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Harshit, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Shreya, unmute yourself. Any
Yes,
problem?
sir.
Any problem till here?
No, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Mohit, any problem? Mohit, unmute yourself. Okay. Kausiki? Kausiki, is there any problem? Okay. Sanchita, any problem till here? Unmute yourself, Sanchita.
No, sir.
No. Name all the neighboring countries of India which is connected with land. Sanchita.
Bangladesh,
Okay.
Bhutan,
Hmm. Radhika, unmute yourself.
yes, sir.
Tell me all the neighboring countries of India.
Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh,
Hmm.
Myanmar, China,
Myanmar.
Pakistan,
Hmm.
Afghanistan.
Okay, mute yourself. Ayush, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, name the country with India shared